Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've laid the groundwork, it's time to get into the specifics. In part 2, we're going to look at how to budget for regular maintenance tasks and the hidden costs that can sneak up on you. Let's break it down so you can plan ahead and keep your truck in top shape without breaking the bank. Parts replacement and labor costs. The costs associated with parts and labor are rarely consistent. Market volatility, supply chain disruptions, and part availability significantly affect repair pricing. For instance, a transmission part might cost $2,000 today but jump to $2,500 in just a few months due to shortages. Labor also weighs heavily on maintenance expenses. Experienced technicians specializing in heavy-duty trucks charge a premium, and regional pricing differences add another layer of variability. Consider these factors. OEM versus aftermarket parts. Original parts often cost more but may last longer, while aftermarket parts save you up front but could incur more frequent replacements. Hourly labor rates. Skilled labor typically ranges from $100 to $200 per hour for heavy-duty trucks. Repair complexity. Certain jobs, like engine overhauls, may require specialized tools and extended hours, driving up costs. Tracking historical repair costs and building these variables into your budget helps minimize surprises. When possible, build relationships with trusted service providers for potential cost savings and priority servicing. Insurance impact on maintenance costs. Your maintenance records directly influence your insurance premiums. Insurers view well-maintained trucks as less risky to insure, often offering lower rates to fleets with proven track records of reliability. Here's how it works. Comprehensive maintenance logs, showing that you've kept up with inspections and preventive care, can lead to discounts. Fewer claims. If your trucks are breaking down less often and avoiding accidents tied to poor maintenance, you're less likely to file claims, keeping premiums in check. Perception of risk. Trucks with gaps in maintenance history may be seen as high risk, resulting in higher policy rates. Think of it this way. Investing in regular upkeep doesn't just prevent breakdowns, it can also save you hundreds, or even thousands, annually on insurance. Keeping detailed records and meeting recommended service intervals is a small trade-off for long-term savings. Planning for the unexpected allows you to better control your costs, avoid surprises, and keep your trucks running efficiently. While emergencies, parts variability, and insurance considerations aren't always top of mind, preparing for them is an integral part of smart financial planning in the trucking industry. Cost-saving strategies. Understanding how to save on maintenance costs for heavy-duty trucks can significantly boost your bottom line. Implementing smart strategies not only preserves the performance of your fleet but also ensures safety on the road. Let's break down some effective cost-saving measures. Preventive maintenance programs. Establishing a preventive maintenance program is one of the best ways to cut costs. Regularly scheduled inspections help identify issues early, preventing small problems from snowballing into major repairs. Think of it like routine checkups for your health. By catching potential issues in advance, you avoid serious damage that could lead to costly downtime. Benefits include reduced repair costs. Routine checks often uncover wear and tear before they escalate. Extended lifespan of trucks. Regular maintenance enhances the lifespan of key truck components. Improved safety. Consistent inspections ensure your trucks are safe and reliable, reducing accident risks. Setting a maintenance schedule based on manufacturer recommendations can enhance your long-term savings. Training drivers for better maintenance practices. Investing in driver training is an often overlooked strategy that can lead to lower maintenance costs. Well-trained drivers treat trucks with care. They can spot small issues before they become major headaches. Regular training sessions can cover essential topics like pre-trip and post-trip inspections. Teaching drivers to check fluid levels, brakes, and tire pressure can help identify issues early. Fuel efficiency techniques. By driving smoothly and avoiding sudden accelerations, drivers can minimize wear and tear. Reporting maintenance needs. Ensuring drivers report odd sounds or warning lights promptly keeps repairs timely. When drivers take ownership of their vehicle's condition, it results in fewer costly repairs and downtime. Best practices for cost management. Managing costs effectively is essential for keeping your heavy-duty trucks operational at a budget-friendly rate. By focusing on the right practices, you can keep maintenance expenses in check and improve the longevity of your fleet. Let's explore some key takeaways and best practices to help you navigate cost management smoothly. Maintain a structured maintenance schedule. Keeping a regular maintenance schedule is non-negotiable. Create a calendar based on manufacturer recommendations. Include tasks like oil changes, brake inspections, and tire rotations. Sticking to this schedule prevents small issues from spiraling into costly repairs. Remember, timely interventions rarely lead to severe breakdowns. Invest in training programs for drivers. A well-trained driver can be your first line of defense against maintenance costs. Provide training sessions focused on vehicle inspections, safe driving habits, and timely reporting of issues. When drivers know what to look for, they can catch problems before they become expensive. After all, a little knowledge goes a long way in avoiding costly repairs. Embrace technology for monitoring and alerts. Leveraging technology can simplify your maintenance management. Telematics systems and maintenance software help you track vehicle performance and service needs. With real-time alerts, you can address issues proactively. Quick responses can save you from significant repair bills down the line. Keep an eye on parts and labor costs. Monitor your spending on parts and labor closely. Understand the differences in costs between OEM and aftermarket parts. Having reliable vendors can help you negotiate better rates. Also, stay informed about local labor costs to avoid unexpected surprises. Shopping around can yield significant savings over time. Allocate a contingency fund for emergencies. Set aside a percentage of your maintenance budget for unexpected repairs. Emergencies will arise, and having a dedicated fund makes handling them easier. Consider saving about 10–15% of your maintenance budget for these unforeseen costs. This way, you won't find yourself scrambling for funds when a truck breaks down. Review and analyze maintenance records regularly. Consistently reviewing your maintenance records is key. This not only helps to identify recurring issues but also allows you to track costs over time. Use this data to make informed decisions about your fleet and pinpoint areas for improvement. Regular analysis can lead to more efficient cost management. Foster strong relationships with service providers. Building positive relationships with mechanics and service shops pays off. Having a go-to team that understands your trucks can lead to better service and potential discounts. It also means they'll likely prioritize your repairs when emergencies arise. A solid partnership can enhance your maintenance experience. Adopting these best practices helps streamline your cost management strategies. By staying on top of maintenance and being smart about spending, you can keep your fleet running smoothly without breaking the bank. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.